kids! It's another day today, and our topic in science for today is all about my animal friends. By the way, may I ask you, children, do you have your favorite animal? Mm-hmm. So, our topic is very exciting because it's all about animals. Okay, so sit back, relax, and listen to teacher. Okay, let's begin. Do you know, kids, that there are so many kinds of animals in the world? Mhm. And animals differ in their sizes. There are big animals and there are also small animals. Okay, let us discuss first what are the examples of big animals. Do you have anything in mind, children? An example of big animals? Let me see if that is correct. So first example of a big animal is, do you know that? That is what we call elephant. Okay, elephant is an example of a big animal. Yes, it's really, really big, children. And another example is horse. Horse also is an example of a big animal. Have you tried children riding a horse? I tried already. In Camp Sabros. Yes. And another one, bear. Okay, a bear also is a big animal. Okay, have you seen a bear already? Not yet. How about in movies or in books, children? It's really big. But of course, there's more. Take a look on this. Do you know that? Roar. That's a lion. Lion also, children, is an example of a big animal. It's a king of the jungle. Next one is that one. Do you know that? That's a panda. Again, panda. Panda also is an example of a big animal. Mhm. Another one, gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla also is big, children. Okay, so you have learned what are the examples of big animals. Now this time, let us discuss what are the examples of small animals, children. Okay, so what are those? We have here rat. Yes, rat is very tiny. It is small. Another one, snail. The snail, children, crawls very, very, very slow. It is a small animal. Another one, kitten. Okay, kitten, children, so cute. It is small. Mhm. And another one, butterfly. Of course, butterfly flies in the garden, right? It is small also. And rabbit also, kids, is an example of a small animal. Okay, so you have learned the different examples of small animals. These are just few examples, but actually there are so many kinds of small animals, children. Now, are you listening to teacher a while ago? Let me see and let me check. Let's do this. Look at the animal on the left, okay? Color the circle of your answer. Now, what kind of animal is this? See that one? Mm-hmm. What is that? Yes, that is what we call crocodile. It opens its mouth very, very big. So the crocodile is big or small animal? Think, think, think. Yes, of course. A crocodile is an example of big animal. So let us color children the circle of big. There you go. Very good, kids. Okay, very good once again, kids. Okay, good job, good job. So I hope you learned something today about my friend animals. And do not forget to take care of the animals, children, because they are also living things like us. So that's all for today, kids. Bye. See you again next time.